Good morning, students. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to do the May-June 2022 paper. And let's try to finish the remaining task, which is our website authoring. Okay, we selected the component is 32. Now, to do this, we will go to our first task, which is the task 3, file management. What we need to do in file management, create a new folder called J2232, and we need to locate the files and then put this store this files into this particular folder. All right, what we need to do next? Okay, we need to put a folder name, file name, extension, size, and dimension. All these four features we need to show in our support file folder. So now to do this, we will go to our support file folder, right click, new, and then folder, and J22232 is the folder name. So now let me locate all three files, image, logo, and TWT HTML file. Done. So now I did it. Next, what I need to do here. So file name, file extension, and file size, we need to show it. So to do this, right click. You need to make sure in few computers it will already mention, but you need to make sure that if it is not there, suppose for example, dimension is not default setting. So you need to make sure that you need to select the dimension. You need to display the dimension of the image, and then you also need to select show the file size and file name. So here, suppose for example, so from here you can select on dimension. If it is unchecked, please check it, and then file date they don't need, and the type and the size and the tag also they don't need, and type, size, and dimension, and press OK. So take a screenshot and paste in your evidence folder. All right. So now let's go to our main task, which is task for web page. All right, how to do this? Now, what we are going to do here, you are going to create a style sheet to be attached to web page. You copy it to the folder, okay, which is folder is J2232. All the color code must be displayed in hexadecimal format, means at the end of the uh, web page, what we need to show? We need to show that all colors should be displayed the hexadecimal format. Okay, there must not be contain HTML or scripting language. All right. So now create a new style to meet the specific, okay, all the specification of the the web page which you are going to create it. So student, interesting thing in this paper is they ask us to create a web page here. Okay, so now let's create it. To do this task, I'm going to opening I'm going to use a web expression software application. Okay, so now I will go to file, new, and this is a first is CSS. Okay, why CSS? Because here we are going to create a style sheet. Okay, all right. So add a comment at the start of the style sheet. I would like you to pay attention to this because this is something which is really interesting. Here are so many things we need to, define and write the exact code which meet all the requirement of the style sheet. So first we will start with the comments. Okay, forward slash star, okay, and name ABC, center number IN123, candidate number is 1234, okay, and then star and then forward slash that. So here we're done with our comment first. So done with the comment. Now let's go to the next question. Set the font for the style H1, H2, H3 so that the browser select and display the font. Okay, all right. So now let's create the fonts. So to do that, we will go to a new style, and the style name is H1, comma H2, comma H3. Okay, all three are what they are asking us to. The font should be Cassion Pro Bold, first font, Control C, and I'm going to paste here Control V, comma. What is the next? If this is not available, it should be Times New Roman, Control C, and then Control V. All right. So now if not available, Sharif means it's an Shan Sharif is Arial, Sharif is Times New Roman. This is default only. All right, so done. Now next, what we need to do? Done. So this is apply and then okay. So now we're done with the H1 comma H2 comma S3. First style is created. Next, What else I need to do? Set the H1 style so that the text is red in color. Okay, let us do one by one. So now here we will choose H1. Okay, H1. Here the color for the H1 is text is red in color. Okay, so now what I'm going to do here, text is red and the center align and 30-point font. Okay, it should be red in color. Let me select the red, press OK. Next, it should be alignment should be center. Okay, so now we will do here. Font family is done. 30 points. So the size of the font will be 30 points. PT. All right. Okay. So now what is next? Is it bold and italic they asked us to put it? Let me check. No. And it is only the alignment should be set. So now center align. So center align, we will click on box. Text alignment should be center, apply and okay. So now H1 is done. Now let's do the H2. So click on new style. And here for H2, the text is black in color, fully justified with an 18 points. So black in color. Okay. So let me select black and press OK. Next, 18 points. The font size is 18, not pixel. Here it is PT. Okay. All right. Now alignment is text alignment is okay, justified. All right. Apply and then OK. So now here we're done with this. This is our H2. All right. This setting is for H2. Next, what we need to do now, next style, what they are asking is to here is H3. All right. So now H3, again, new style and here H3. And what is the font here? Text is black, black in color, left align. Okay. So now the color of the text is black in color again here. Okay, press OK. Next, 14 points. The size is 14 point. Where is it? Here. Now, is it center align? No, it is left align. Left align. So now text alignment is left. Apply and then OK. So all three is done. Now let's go to the next question. Set the table to 25% from right margin. All right. So now margins, new style. Then we will use here table. Okay. Table, how much? They said 25%. Margin means box. We will go to margin. Right should be 25%. All right. Apply and then OK. So we got the right margin. Next, browse the window and 5% from all other margins. Okay. So now let me enter. So now margin, 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 right, done, left. Left how much? 5%, 5%. All right. Now then after that, margin, right, left. Okay. What else we have? All other right, left, and then we have top is also 5%, 5%, and then bottom, bottom. Okay, bottom margin. Okay, margin bottom is also 5%. All right, so done. Now we done. Let me align it properly. Yes, we all the margins put accordingly because here they clearly mention 5% from all other margins. So student, no need to get confused. You can select the table here, right click and modify the style. So from here also, where is the box? Yeah. Okay. From here also, if you see here, by default it take, or else if you wanted to do one by one, Step by step also you can do, but I simply coded it. So we got the final thingy. Next, close. Next, set the padding for all the table cells should be 10 pixel. So again, new style, okay, padding, okay, TD, okay, so table, comma, TD, okay, why TD? Because here we are going to apply the cell padding. Cell padding is 10%, pixel or percent, 10 pixel, okay, apply all and okay. So we got table comma TD. Next, set all the table border grids so that they are not visible. They should not be visible. So table. So I will do one thing here. Should not be visible. Okay. So okay. So what they are saying, all table borders and grid lines so that all they are not visible. All right. So this should not be visible grid line so that we have to make it as a border 0. Student, there are two options. Either you can do the cell border collapse or you can make it as a border is equal to 0. So to do that, what I'm going to do here, instead of creating a new style, you can do here border, okay, border collapse, and it should be collapse so that which will make our thingy as a 0. Okay, all right, so done. Next, set the background of the web page so that it color as a green is 9F. So as I told you in exam also, it is better to write R. Okay, what is red is DA, and then G equals to green is equals to 9F, and RGB B equals to blue is 25. So yeah, this will help us to do this. So let's go to new style, and they are asking here the background. Background means body. So yeah, here, here is the body, or simply type here body, BODY body. Next, okay, body, background, color. The idea which I share you in my previous video, select any color. Okay, any color, then start modifying it. Okay, so what is R? R is DA, hashtag DA, RG is 9F, 9F, and RGB is 25. B is 25. All right, so this color looks like this. Done. So now set the background for the web page to have the image logo. So okay, so now here they are also asking us to put the image logo. So now let's do it. How to put a image logo? So browse, where is my image here? I will go to desktop and then my computer, and then we will go to support file folder. Oh, where is it? It is we are doing May June 2022 paper 32, and here is the image. Okay, so we need to put as a logo and open. Done. Next, we import the logo. Next, what we need to do? Once only, what does it mean? It means the logo should not be repeated. So no repeat. I will write here. Okay, and then we're done with this. It should be, student, I would like you to pay attention here more so that you can understand. It should be what they are saying here in the top right corner. Okay, so now this should be fixed. Why? Because it should not be rotated and it should be in a top right corner. Next, and then position is on top. Done. Next, fix the position. Okay, fix the position so that it will not scroll. We already fixed it. Next, width. This is done. Width should be 200 pixel. So the background size X means the horizontal line, which is a width. So width is 200 they gave us, and height is 150 pixel. 150. Okay, all right. So all settings are done. Yes, perfectly fine. Apply and then okay. Wow. So this is the one big color image, repeat, attachment, position, and everything is done. Next, save the style sheet. So let me save the style sheet. Okay, with your name, center number, and candidate number, followed with your name, center number, and candidate number. All right. So file, save as. Okay, directly go to your support file folder. So here we have, and then we need to save in J22. And what is the name? Name is with J2232 CSS underscore name ABC, center number IN123, candidate number is 1234, right? That's it. Okay, and then save. Perfect, done. Now take a screenshot. Show your file name, content, and styles are placed in your evidence file. So to do this, what you need to do here, student, you need to go here and take the screenshot and paste it. Next, open the web page j2232 twt.htm. Okay, so now file, open, support file folder. This we need to open it. Perfect. Okay, go to design. Oh, this is look like this. Next, attach the style sheet, save in step 19. Okay, attach style sheet, browse. So this is the style sheet and open and then okay. Wow. So perfectly. This is the logo TWT. All right. Next, set the title of the web page. Control C. Okay. And student, I hope you guys remember. Right click, page property, and the title is this. And then press OK. Done. Next, save your web page. File, save. Next, take a copy of HTML source and place in your evidence file. So let me go to code. Take all the copy. This is the HTML copy. So please take the picture. Next, screenshot and paste in your evidence file folder. Next, display your web page in a browser. So let me go to design, file, preview in browser, and Internet Explorer. Perfect. So now this is how it look like. Next, do we need to take a screenshot for this? Display the web browser. If necessary, resize it. So student, I would like you to prefer you, like, saying because, it is important to do the coding, which should be correct. Okay. If your coding is correct, means your web page is also correct. All the page can be seen. Yes, we can able to see the all complete page. Okay. So here, next. The address bar is fully visible. Yes, this the address bar is fully visible. Done. Take a screenshot and show in your web page in your browser, place in your evidence file. So please take a screenshot and paste in your browser. Okay. All right. Next is screenshot of evidence showing in your web page of a browser, table content and background image clearly visible. Background image is the elephant one, is clearly visible. Next, save and print your evidence document. Oh, sorry, this is the next task. So finally, we're done with this. So I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.